Hello everyone, this is Bipasha Bhumik and I am here to elaborate on my article titled Of More Woe, Oedipus Rex as the Timeless Tragedy. The Greeks as an ancient civilization have left us with the tenets of tragedy that continue to define the genre even in this time and age. Be it the young love of Romeo and Juliet or the doomed romance of A Fault in Our Stars, the Greek definitions of tragedy continue to shock and to leave us in awe and in, of course, woe for the characters involved. Sophocles, the Greek tragedian, break a play out of the ancient Greek myth of Oedipus, and Oedipus Rex continues to stand as the most classically cited examples of tragedy. In fact, Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, goes to the extent of naming it the perfect Greek tragedy. The tragedy of a character who did not deserve what happened to him in the end, a character who had no active, conscious role in his own undoing. The plot of Oedipus Rex follows that of a great ruler who has come to power on his own merit and of great skills, and now whose kingdom is challenged with a plague. On further investigation and on ploughing into the truth of the matter like a modern-day detective, Oedipus comes to know the horrible truth, the great pollution of his own birth, and what must be done to rework the curse of the plague. Sophocles has used a timeless Greek myth and has fashioned it in ways that was not possible to be even imagined. The audience continues to feel pain and continues to reaffirm its bonds in common society, just as Oedipus is forced to reject these bonds because of the pollution of his birth. The chorus of the play that continues to reflect what the audience of the play must be feeling sings a sad lament at the end of the play at what a great man has been reduced to. A primary reason the play even resonates with us till date is the fact that Oedipus had no hand in the undoing that befell him. The tragedy of Oedipus Rex continues to enchant modern audiences and for duly reasons. Thank you.